Good morning, everyone. So today is Sunday, and we have, as you all know, I always do a pre-market analysis for you guys before the starting of the week. So must do it for you guys to watch before the market opens, and the market opens tonight at 10 p.m. Ghana time. Sorry, 9 p.m. Ghana time. So that'll be 10 in Nigeria and other countries which are not in the same time zone as Ghana. So today on my first pair is USDCHF, and if you want to see how we caught this was last week trade. I was just about uh, doing the review for last week, and I just finished, so I decided to just do the pre-market analysis all together. And last week was massive. It was really massive. I always say with risk management, you be in the game for a very fucking long time. For a very long time. Just need to master risk management and get an edge, develop an edge. And if you want to do that, I'm the best guy for you. I'm the guy for you who teach you all that. I have a course which are starting this week. So if you want to join the next batch, you can actually DM me or comment on any of our videos, or my social media handles, and then you can pick any of them and contact me straight ahead and book a slot for yourself. And as you all know, my slots are always limited. So I don't want to train everyone. I just want to train the serious ones. So if you are serious enough for your life, you know what to do. So yeah, yesterday, last week, we were able to take trades of about 33. We took 33 trades, and we did some massive shit. We did some massive stuff last week, and it was great. We took about 33 trades. We lost 20. We won 13. But that's just numbers. How many pips did we get? So one thing you should take note of is when you are practicing on a demo account, when you are practicing, it's the wins that count. When you are practicing, it's the wins. How many wins are you getting? How many losses are you getting? But when it comes to a live account, you are trading with your real money. The wins doesn't matter anymore. It's how much are you making. That's the thing. How much are you making? If you take a loss, how much did you lose? How many pips did you lose? And when you take a win, how many pips did you win? How much did you win? And if you've been with me for a very long time, you should know that I can take 3 losses and 1 win will still put me in profit. I can take 5 losses, just 1 win will put me back into profit. So that's why I can take so much losses and still be in the game for a very long time. That's who I am. That's how I trade. And that's how I've been surviving for all this while. If you are not that kind of trader, it's not compulsory for you to adapt to what I do. You have to find a way to develop what works for you. And if you don't know how to do that, you just book a slot for my beginner friendly course, and I'll teach you all that during the class. I'll teach you all that during the class. So last week, like I said earlier, we took a maximum of 33 trades, both in the free signal community and my private signal group. We took a total of 33 trades. We won 13, we lost 20, and when we lost 20, we lost about 2020 pips. That's the pips we lost from 20 trades. And when we gained, we won 13 trades out of the 33. We won only 13. And that 13 trades gave us 6,393 pips. So we lost 20 trades. I lost 20 trades just last week. I took a total of 30. trades and I lost 13 trades. Someone will ask, oh, is the 33 trades not too much for you? Well, every trader has the way he or she trades. Some traders trade one pair, two pairs, other pairs. I'm a type of trader who can trade every market, and I do trade every market. So anywhere a setup cooks, I calculate my risk, how much I'm risking, and then I take the trade and I just wait for the outcome. I just calculate my risk and take the trade, wait for the outcome. So I'm not the type of trader who you see that trade is trading one pair. Some will tell you, oh, when you trade one pair, it works for you. Yeah, it works, but it doesn't work for everyone. It works, yes, but doesn't work for everyone. Everything that has been introduced into the forex market and it has been there for a long time works. But the question is, does it work for you? If it works for you, fine. If it doesn't, find what works for you. That's what trading is all about. That's how life in general is. You don't have to do what is working for someone. If someone is doing this and is making money, that doesn't mean you should also do the exact same thing and you make money. You can copy the person, do the exact same thing the person is doing, and you won't be making money, the person will be making money. That's why some people, when you see my students, some don't use the strategy I use, but I taught them everything they know, but they don't use the strategy I use, and it's fine. I won't come and tell you to use the strategy I use because I know what is going on in this space. I know how the space is. I know how the market behaves. And it's not like I know how the market behaves, but I know what is going on in the forex space. So if I see all I want for my students is for you to be that profitable, get to that profitable stage where you can make so much money you dream of, or you don't even dream of making such amount. It's all about making the money. So if you are my student, I don't judge or I don't do any of those things. But I just want to see you progressing. What you are doing, is it working? How well is it working? If it's not working, I'll make sure I help you to get what will work for you. That's what I do for my students. I make sure I help you to get what will work for you. And that's what I think every mentor should do for his or her students. And that's what I'm doing. So if you are interested in my mentorship course, it's available around the corner. Just DM me and you book a slot and see the way forward. So back to the weekly trade summary. So I said I took a total trade of 33. I lost 20. I won 13. When I lost 20, I lost about 2020 pips. 2020 pips. And when I won 6,393 pips. That's what I won. Up from just 13 trades. I lost 20 trades and I won 13. And at the end of the week, we made a total, after we subtracted the losses from our win, we got a total of 4,373 pips. So last week from Monday to Thursday, because we didn't trade on Friday, we had so much wins that I told everyone to take a break from the market. We are done trading for the week. When you make so much wins, you don't have to trade all the day from Monday to Friday to continue making money. Because you can make profits from Monday to Thursday and lose all on Friday. That one, I've been in the space for long to know that. So when you've made so much profit from Monday to Thursday, Monday, the starting the week wasn't really great for us, but I know the type of trader I am, so I just kept going. I know what I was doing and all those stuff, so I just kept going. Monday wasn't really great. Tuesday broadcast back to profit. Wednesday was great. Thursday was really great because the market moves fucking great. because of the tariffs and Donald Trump stuff. Yeah, like I always tell my students, because of how I trade, most of the time I feel like most of the time whenever there's news coming on all those stuff, it comes in my direction most of the time. But that doesn't mean I'm controlling the market or I know what I'm doing. I just when you study the market so much, you know what it's doing. So I can't say, oh, because I use this strategy, that's why I win all the time or things like that. All mentors win. All mentors win. Every strategy works. So when you are trading and you are winning so much, just means that the strategy you are using is working. The strategy you are using is working. So yeah, so last week we made a total of 4,373 pips. That's what we got from the market last week. So if you are in my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel, you should have also got a tip of the batch of 4,373 pips. And if you made more than that from my signal, congratulations. If you made less than that, congratulations. As long as you made money, congratulations. So if you the week is coming. Tomorrow is Monday, so if you also want to join the Telegram channel, get a tip of the iceberg. You can also join. Check out my bio. The group link is there. Just click on it and and you join the Telegram channel and also enjoy what everyone is enjoying. I'm giving the signals for free. Even though I have a a private group where I drop signals, I still manage to give free signals. I still manage to give free quality signals. I don't want it to be like because I have a private group, everyone must join. It's not everyone that has the money to join a private group. So what I do is I'll just give you the free signal when you are making the money and you feel like you want to get a private group where everyone is at the premium members at, then you can also join. It's your choice for you to join. But the free signal group, I've decided to do it for you for free so that you can also enjoy while you are learning and getting to the advanced stage of your forex journey. So yeah, that's it. And if you also want to see the pens we took, the losses and the profits, or I've I've dropped my Excel sheet in the group. If you join the group, you can check it out. The Excel sheet is there. The trades we took the whole of last week, the losses, the profits, and last week was massive. And the pair that gave us most of the pips was BTC, BTC USDT. Sorry, BTC USD. We got a, a massive pip on BTC. We took about the first trade gave us about almost 4,000 pips. The second trade gave us about 1,000 and something pips, and there was other pairs which also gave us profits and stuff like that. But the pair that gave us most of the profit was BTC USD. So yeah, last week was great. So this upcoming week, we want it to be better. But how do we make it better? Let's first finish the pre-market analysis and see how the week will be. Okay? Yeah. So with that, let me clear this chart. Clear this. Yeah. All good. So now let's just do sorry. Let's finish the pre-market analysis. And first, we are starting from USDCHF. Our first pair on the list is USDCHF. USDCHF. Our first pair on the list is USDCHF. And so on USDCHF on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly midway zone, and my monthly lower zone on USDCHF. So on USDCHF, if you watch closely, price is in a downtrend. Price is in a downtrend. Why am I saying price is in a downtrend? Price broke out of this demand zone creating a new higher low, higher high, then drop for a new higher low, went for an equal high, equal low, and equal high, and it's coming for an equal low. So we could say USDCHF is consolidating in this zone on the monthly time frame. USDCHF has been consolidating in this zone on the monthly time frame. So I if you watch my past recording, I always say when the market or the price is consolidating, if it's on the higher time frame, you go to the lower time frame and look for trading opportunities. But if it's on the lower time frame, then you stay away from the market or from that particular pair that's consolidating. If price is consolidating at the higher time frame, you go to the lower time frame and look for trading opportunities. But if price is consolidating at the lower time frame, you stay away from that pair. You stay very far away from that particular pair until the consolidation is over. Is that clear? Yeah. So that's it on USDCHF. We know USDCHF is coming all the way to the downside, all the way to the downside. And I've been on this particular USDCHF pair since last month. When price was over here, we were doing the analysis of selling USDCHF, selling, and we were able to catch massive peaks for the past week, and it was really great. So yeah, this week also we are looking for selling opportunities on USDCHF because price hasn't touched the zone yet. Price hasn't touched my zone yet. So I'm still looking for selling opportunities for it to drop all the way into my zone. So will price drop or not? Let's go to the lower time frames and find out. So yeah, here on USDCHF on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone and my weekly midway zone. My weekly upper zone and my weekly midway zone. And on the weekly time frame, if you can also watch closely, USDCHF is in a downtrend, like I said. So previously we did an analysis on USDCHF, which we saw that price was at a demand zone. So we were expecting to get buying pressure from here all the way here before price drops. But the selling pressure was too much that it broke the zone without going for the pullback all the way to the upside, but it just broke the zone all the way to the downside on USDCHF. So since price has broken the weekly demand zone on USDCHF, let's look for selling opportunities and how we can pick an entry on USDCHF all the way to the monthly zone. All the way to the monthly zone. So yeah, let's go to the daily time frame and see what we can do on USDCHF. Okay, so on USDCHF, you could see that on USDCHF, I have my daily upper zone, my daily midway zone, and my daily lower zone. My daily upper zone, midway zone, and my daily lower zone. So on USDCHF, price has broken the daily zone also. After it broke the weekly zone on Thursday, it broke the daily zone on Thursday also. And you could see price drop almost touching the zone and went up. Price drop almost touching the zone and the daily time frame candle closed a pin bar. And that's a very strong buying confirmation. But are we going to take a buy on the daily time frame? No. We're not going to be looking for buying opportunities as we go down because we said on the monthly time frame that we were looking for selling opportunities and we must always move with the higher time frame. Doesn't matter what is going on in the lower time frame. So here we can just look for two possibilities. Either we wait for a very nice confirmation or we just go to the 4-hour time frame and prepare on USDCHF. And I think we should just go to the 4-hour and prepare on USDCHF. So yeah, here on USDCHF, I can see two possibilities. Okay. Yeah, I can see two entries coming on USDCHF. So first, price has tapped into the daily zone. So I should just be waiting for a candle confirmation at the zone. Then we sell USDCHF all the way to the monthly low. As soon as we get a candle confirmation over here at the daily time frame, we sell USDCHF to the monthly low. But is that I said earlier we are looking at two entries, so that's one entry number two will come in if price fails to go all the way down from here, but once goes up touching the weekly zone, then we look for candle confirmation over here and sell all the way to the monthly zone on USDCHF. So yeah, this is how we are going to pick the entry on USDCHF. This is how we pick the entry on USDCHF. So yeah, I've already done pre-market analysis yesterday. I did some yesterday and I'm doing some today. And if you haven't watched yesterday's recording, I advise you go check out my YouTube channel. It's the latest video I posted. So if I post this, then this will be the latest one. So the second latest video you find on my channel is the recording of yesterday, which was Saturday. Today is Sunday. So market opens Monday. So yeah, if you haven't watched that recording, I advise you do, because I shared some very nice and beautiful setups over there in that recording. So yeah, I wanted to also add, because of how massive the tariffs which Donald Trump introduced affected the market, price moved in a very strict way, which went in our favor. But how it moved, that it didn't move in a series. When it was moving, price wasn't forming a series of higher highs and higher lows. And if price have, and from my experience, if price moves in that form on most pairs, then what you are supposed to do for the upcoming week, you have to be very careful when trading, because how the market will be moving, you might not like it and it won't be what you are expecting because of how it moved previously in a very strict line. So as you can see how price move here, it's a very high possibility of price going back into this zone because of this breakout, because of this breakout, it's very like price, it's a high possibility of price going back into this zone. So this zone might just be some zone, but it's a high possibility price will go back into this zone. So when you are about to analyze the market and trade, be very careful and know the pairs you are selecting. Be very careful of the pairs you are selecting to trade. So when you are selecting a pairs, make sure you understand that pair very well. You can analyze it and explain it to anyone. Then it's good for you to analyze and trade it yourself. But for now, I have gone through most of the pairs and I'm not seeing any setup soon. But that doesn't mean there isn't a setup. There are setups, but for now, I'll just end it on this particular pair, USDCHF. I might upload the last part of the recording today, latest today, so you guys can watch it before the market opens. I might upload the last part of the video today. So if you are watching this recording right now, I advise you pause it here, check out my channel, click on that subscribe button and like this video, comment something nice, or if you have a question, a request, or anything that you want me to do for you, you can just put it in the comment section. And also check out my bio. I have all my social media handles over there and you can actually join, and yeah, you see the way forward. If you also want to get free signals and trade like how the other members in the group are doing great, then I advise you join the free Telegram channel where you get access to free signals and ideas about the forex market. And if you are also interested in joining my mentorship class, slots are limited. You can join now. Don't say I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next week, I'll do it next month. Do it now. Do it now. Some people will say, oh, I don't have money and stuff like that. Dude, if no one has money, no one has money. Everyone is trying to survive. And we all started from somewhere. If we all, when we were about to start, we were telling our mentors or those who taught us that we don't have money, do you think we'll be as where we are? You see the results you want and you have it. You also want the same, but you are giving excuses, excuses upon excuses, finding a reason for you not to do it. Instead of you to look for reasons for you not to join the class, look for a reason why you should join. What is stopping you? Look for a reason to shut down what is stopping you so you can also join and progress. Learn, and it will really, really help you. It will really, really help you. Forest has changed lives, and why can't it change yours? Forest has changed lives, and it can change yours too. So just I advise you take just the Telegram channel is free, completely free. You can join and get access to free signals and stuff like that. But if you also want to learn how I analyze the chart, how I do my things, how I trade, how I manage my things like that, but I don't think I'm perfect. I also take losses. And if you can see from last week's trade, you know I take losses. I make mistakes, all the things that you do. But just that I don't do it as much as you guys do it. So yeah, forest is great. Forest is good. It's a good thing to enter. And it will really, 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 really help. So class, the mentorship slots are still available. If you want to join, the slot will be yours. Just have to join and wait. You there's a badge for you which you join, we all get ready, then I start teaching you all together. So yeah, this will be the end of today's record pre-market analysis on USDCHF. So once again, I just want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your family and friends so they can also get to see what I'm doing here, how I do the analysis and get trade ideas. And also, they can also get the trade ideas you are also getting from this particular recording. And if you want to get the setups when they are ready, the setups are shared. If you want to get them when they are ready, just join the Telegram channel. And when it's ready, I won't be dropping it on my YouTube channel. That is just not nice. So I'll drop it in my Telegram channel where everyone is and they can have access to it. If you are also not on Telegram, have my WhatsApp channel which you can follow me on and also get access to my free Telegram channel. But I think it would be great if you download the Telegram, you set it up yourself, and you join me. So yeah, that'll be the end of today's pre-market analysis, and peace. I'm out.